So cookie policy is enforced by the browser. Why is that? Because remember, the browser is the one storing, managing, and sending the cookies. So it makes sense that the browser code would be the one to enforce all of these rules. So again, the way you can think of this is, if you're the person writing Google Chrome, you go and work for Google, you write Google Chrome, it's your responsibility to write this code into the browser so that all of our browsers run the same cookie policy rules. And the rules are going to tell us two things. They're going to tell us if someone hands us a cookie, should we accept it and put it in our browser, or should we reject it and throw it away? So for example, the case here where evil.com sends us a cookie and it's all about Google being in dark mode, somehow the browser should be able to detect and say, wait a minute, you're sending me this totally unrelated cookie. I'm going to discard this cookie. It's no good. That's something we have to answer. And the second question we have to answer is, what does it mean to send relevant cookies? So when I make a request, I have this big cookie jar. Which specific cookies do I pull out and attach as part of this request? And which ones do I not attach? And this is important to make sure I don't attach unrelated cookies that might have secret data on a request to evil.com, for example. So again, cookie policy is kind of like same origin policy, but they're not quite the same. You can think of it as two different pieces of code running in Google Chrome. One of them is for two different tabs interacting, and the other one is for sending and receiving cookies. They look a little bit different. And again, this is a consequence of us designing web without security from the start. So we have all these weird fixes that we've made, but this is the cookie policy. It looks kind of like same origin policy, but do remember that they are different things that you have to check.